Okay, so another example class. So it is a square footing subjected to horizontal shear force. So we have a square footing that is 2.5 by 2.5 meter. And the groundwater table is 1 meter below the foundation. We are going to get the maximum horizontal shear force V that the foundation can carry if the factor of safety is 3. So, ang pangit ng sulat ko dito, factor of safety is 3. The Fs is 3. So, we are going to get the maximum horizontal shear force V. Ngayon, wala namang horizontal shear force V, moment, and P lang naman yung meron sa mga formulas natin, diba? So, ang gagawin natin, we are going to convert that one. So, yung horizontal force na yan, gagawin natin yung moment. So, since known naman that from the bottom of the foundation, mula dun sa ating action ng force is 1.5 and then ang direction niya ay the same as clockwise. So, P natin is 300 kN. So, yung moment natin, since pareha sila ng direction na ganito, 160 plus, i-add natin yung V, force times distance, that is 1.5 meters. Okay? So, gagawin na lang natin siyang plus 1.5 V. So, that is 1.5 V. Okay, so, nung next. So, paano natin kukunin to class? So, we are going to compare QU and Q allowable. So, we are going to get Q allowable as QU over factor of safety of 3. So, since square naman to class, we are going to use Terzagis para sa ating QU. So, Terzagis ang gagamitin natin. Dito natin magsulat. QU is equal to CNC plus QNQ plus gamma BN gamma. Since square 1.3 and this here is plus 0.4. Okay, check natin. C, we have 50 kPa. It is 50 kPa. We have, ano pa? Q. Ano ang Q natin? Ano yung depth of the footing? 1.5 times gamma dry yun, di ba? It is what? 17. 1.5 by 17, that is 25.5 kPa. And now we are going to get our CQ. Gamma. Ano yung gamma natin? Anong case ito? So, this is case 2. Diba? So, nasa case 2 tayo. So, formula natin for case 2 ng ating gamma, it is equal to what? It is equal to gamma prime plus difference quantity gamma minus gamma prime over B. Okay. Ano ang gamma prime natin? Gamma prime, kunin muna natin ang gamma prime. Gamma prime is, ano yung gamma sat? 19.5 minus 9.81. 19.5 minus 9.81. 9.69 kilonewton per meter cube. So, 9.69 plus, ano yung difference ng depth of the footing and the depth of the water table? It is 1 meter kasi indicated naman 1 meter. Gamma natin is 17 minus 9.5 over B. Yung B na to, yung totoong B, kasi nga, hindi mag-aapekto yung depth of water table sa effective area. So, ang gagamitin yung totoong B. Okay? So, ang gamma natin ay ano? 17 minus 9.5 over, ano yung B pala natin? Ba't kasi nasabi effective B? Kasi nga class naka-moment tayo. So, kukunin natin yung effective with mamaya. 17 9.5 over 2.5 plus 9.69. Our gamma is 12.69 kilonewton per meter cube. So, ang kukunin na lang natin is yung ating B dito. So, B natin is what? That is our B prime is equal to B minus 2E. So, ano ang E natin? Our E is M over P. At ano yung M natin? Our M is what? Makita kung ano yung magiging M natin. Ayun. M natin is equal to 160 plus 1.5 of V all over ano yung P natin? It is 300. So, ano yung magiging E? 160 over 300 0.53 plus 1.5 over 300 0.005 V. Okay, so ang B prime natin ay ano? B prime natin is B. Ano yung B? 2.5 minus 2E twice of 0.53 plus 0.005 V. Or pangalanan na lang natin na 2E muna para hindi muna tayo. Saka na natin gawin mamaya. Kasi malilito ako. Okay, na ito yung ating E. So, that is our B prime. And then, next, ang wala pa sa atin ay ang ating mga pairing capacity formulas when phi is equal to, ano ang phi na gagamitin natin? 30. So, 30 degrees. So, NC natin, looking at the table. I'm looking at the table. 30 degrees. Okay, so we have 37.16, NQ 22.46, N gamma is equal to 19.13. Now we are ready to substitute. So, gagawin natin. QU, C is 50. Oh, wait lang. May 1.3 pa pala to. 1.350 times 37.17 plus Q. Ano yung Q? 25.5. Ano yung NQ? 22.46 plus 0.4. Gamma. Ano yung gamma niya? 9.69. Gamma. Magsulat. 0.4 gamma. B. Ang B natin ay 2.5 minus 2E. N gamma. 0.4 gamma. B N gamma. Ang N gamma ay 19.13. Okay. So, QU. So, solve 1.3 by 50 by 37.17. 2416.05 plus 5.5 plus 22.46. 47.96. plus 0.4 by 9.69 by 19.13 74.15 sige na nga lang 74.15 times 2.5 plus 185.37 minus 148.29 na lang nating 3 30b E pala. Tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Ano ba talaga yung gamma talaga dapat natin? Mali. Ang gamma natin is 12.69. Sorry. So, ito, papalitan ko to ng I'm sorry. 12.69. Okay. Palitan natin to. Okay. So, ulit 242.76 plus 194.21 E. These are QU. QU natin is 2416.05 plus 47.96 plus 242.76. Mali ako. Bakit 47 lang ang 25.5 by 22.46? Should be 572. Ano ba yan? 572.73. Okay. It is 3231. 54 plus 194.21 E. Okay? So, that's our QU. Ngayon, high life. So, this is QU. We're going to get our Q. I-equate natin yung Q allowable tsaka Q max natin. Diba? So, i-check natin yung ating Q max. So, ang ating E ay ano yung E natin kanina? 0.53 plus 0.005 V. And then, RB over 6 is equal to 2.5 over 6.416. Okay, so, pwede ba nating i-check? Yes, pwede nating i-check class na E. 0.53 plus 0.005 V is greater than 0.416 na kasi nga 0.53 na yan eh. Mag-a-add ka pa, di greater na siya ng 0.416. So, ang gagamitin natin, we are going to Ang gagawin na lang natin, instead na using this one, we're going to get our Qmax. Dahil ganito siya, the modified equation of Qmax is what? So we have Qmax, since E is greater than B over 6 na hindi dapat. Ang Qmax natin, instead na yung ganun, ito na ay 4 P 3 wala nang ink. Tayong magsulat. L P minus 2E. So, 4 times 300, 2.5 by 2.5 minus 2E. At ang Qmax natin ay 4 times 300, 3 by 2.5, 160. Tama? 160 over 2.5 minus 2E. So, ang Q allowable na natin, in-equate na natin sa Qmax kasi nga delikado na siya. Yung E kasi natin is greater than P over 6. Hindi na tayo nag-compare, kundi equate na lang natin na ganyan para yung Q allowable natin na Qmax is QU over 3. So, it becomes 160 over 2.5 minus 2E is equal to QU. Anong QU natin? 3231.54. 3231.54. I forgot the rest. Plus 194.21E. Plus ba yan? Minus yan. Kasi nga, minus 2E yun. So, erase natin. Ito, mali. 1 minus 10. Ito, minus to. Minus, I think it is 54. 54. Purahin ko na nga lang. Okay, ano yun? 3231.54. 3231.54 minus 192. 194.21E over 3. Oof. Okay, then exchange. 3 by 160. This becomes sorry. 3231.54 by 2.5. 878.85 minus 194.21 by 2. 485.525 minus E pala to, minus 3231.54 times 2. 6463.08E minus 194.21 times 2. 388.42 is squared. Tama? Okay, combine. Lipat natin yung isa, 80, 78.85 minus 480. 0 equals 7598.85 minus 485.525 minus 64.63. Parehas lang negative. So, negative. 550. Hindi pala to 64. 6,000 pala. 6948.60 E minus 388.42 E squared, and then go to equation mode. Okay, negative 388.42 negative 6948.60 7598.85. Okay, ang laki ng value ng E, ha? E is what? E is 1.033. Tama ba yung ginawa ko? Negative 388, negative 6948 plus. Okay, so E is equal to what? Yung formula natin kanina. 0.53 plus 0.005 V. E is 1.033 is equal to 0.53 plus 0.005. Ano yung V natin? Yun yung unknown. Diba? Okay, so ano ang V? Okay, balik tayo ng linear mode. 1.033 minus 0.53 divided by 0.005. Answer is 100.6 kilonewton. Ito yung maximum load. Pero, class, you have to remember that kanina pa natin na-solve na E is greater than B over 60. Ibig sabihin yan, mag-fail talaga siya. May load man o wala, kasi yung moment itself, kaya niyang sirain. So, ang gagawin dapat natin dito, since alam natin na ang V natin is 100.6 kilonewton na posible, i-increase pa natin yung ating B. Kasi nga, i-repair natin yung ating B kasi hindi pwede na E is greater than B over 6. Pero since ang pinapahanap lang sa atin ay ito, so ito na. Yan na yung solution. Pero kung isosolve talaga natin yung problem, malalaman natin na hindi to pwedeng ganyan. So, ang gagawin natin, i-equate natin yan. E is equal to B over 6 ang gagawin natin. So, kung gagawin natin E is equal to B over 6, ang magiging B niya is 6 meters kasi ang E niya is 1 meter na. Malaki kasi yung moment load. Kahit yung moment load alone lang. Kasi magkikita natin dito Ito sa moment load lang to, diba? 0.53 is greater than 0.416. So, moment load alone plus. Hindi maganda yung distribution. Okay. But for the purpose of finding H class, H, the horizontal load, IV, the shear load class. Ayan na. That's the answer. But, kung gusto nating isolve pa to, isolve talaga natin to na papalitan natin yung width. Kaso, ang tanong kasi, ano yung maximum kapag ganun yung width at kapag ang factor of safety ay 3.